Well, hello out there, and welcome back to Dunbar Land Farms. And I really appreciate getting up over 500 subscribers. Really appreciate it, and thanks for all the people that come back. Still have quite a few that have subscribed and haven't come back to watch more. You're missing out. And today I have something pretty interesting to talk to you about that's out of the norm. Behind me, I'll switch over so you can see, I've got the Kubota tractor, the Grandel 3560, and I'm going to show you how anyone can use their tractor to make wire stripping a lot easier. That's right, anyone can use their tractor to make wire stripping a lot easier, particularly whenever you're stripping aluminum wire like I am today. So I'm going to swing you over here and just show you my setup. There it is. Notice I have over here, so I'll take this up. I've got the old strip master or meister, but I've got my chair, and I got my drink, and I've got my tools. So without any further ado, let's strip some wire with a tractor. Okay, so notice I gotta get comfortable first. Got my Daytona Shores hat on, or Daytona Beach hat on. Rather be there today, but at least I'm in the shade. Let's have a drink of our Mountain Dew. If you know me, I'm one of those guys that if you can do it easy and relax, why not? Like, why run if you can walk? So let's take a piece of pre-cut aluminum wire, which is stiff as all get out, so you have to be very slow doing this, and probably we'll have some redos in the process. And I also suggest you put your drill on low. I've tried it on high. It's just gonna get away from me. See, I slipped off because the wire turned too soon. So I just have to back up. But notice I'm not getting out of my chair, not changing any adjustment. So I got the wire going here. Get it a little straighter. Took a little twist. That's the problem with aluminum wire. It takes a lot of twist. Not like copper wire. You have to get it right in the groove, or it gets out of the groove. It's not groovy. Oops, see, out again. Why did I think it would be easy? Aluminum wire's not. And it didn't go all the way to the end, so I have my trusty utility knife. See how stiff that wire is? And remember, cut away from you, not toward you. Cut back to the where it started cutting on the Stripmeister. And let's see. Wow. Is that interesting or what? Now, just so that I don't lead you astray whenever I say that it's easier to strip wire with a tractor, I'll strip some more here. Strip wire, not me. There you have it. Already pre-cut the wire, and you want to have the wire pre-cut in shorter lengths. I tried the longer lengths, doesn't work very well. Up, went to the side, little adjustment. You just need to make sure that it's tight enough so it'll cut everything. Otherwise you'll have to recut. Straighten this up. It's in a bind. That went a little fast there, but I stayed on target. And I missed the very end. See, here we go. Yep, there's another one. So I'd taken this wire to the scrap yard, and they said, well, if you come back with it stripped, we can give you quite a lot more for it. So, hey, with me being retired, I thought I'd take them up on that and see. Well, if you still are a doubting Thomas that you can't use your wire to strip, that you can't use your tractor to strip wire, I'll run a few more. Now I've got a bend in it here. Another bend. So far I haven't run off track. Now the Stripmeister has different holes on the back, but this wire is too big for one of the holes and too small for the largest hole, so that's why I really have to be careful and guide it in with my hand. So, of you other wire strippers out there, I'd be curious if any of you use your tractor to help strip your wire, and if so, how you use it. And then if there's anybody out there that has a better way to strip aluminum wire with, I mean, this thing was like, it was $250. I think it's overpriced, but hey, what are you going to do? Anyway, if you've got a cheaper way to strip wire faster, buddy, I'd like to know. Because even though I'm sitting down here relaxing, gonna get me a drink of Mountain Dew here in a second, I like to be stripping it faster. Because even being retired, time is money. And at my age, you never know how much time you got left. Oh, y'all wanted to see what, there you have it. Then I'll show you before I close what I've got stripped over here. But I'll do one more. That one's already done. See, I've got it all set up here. I don't even have to get up out of the chair. Just like being at home on my couch in the afternoon, because I don't watch TV. I'll watch all you folks out there on YouTube that I'm interested in. And I hope you're watching me. Up, slipped off. Uh-oh. As Rain Man would say, uh-oh. Checking, yep, it's cutting. Okay, there we go. Down to the nitty-gritty end. Aha! Cut it. This one up went all the way. Got my Harbor Freight channel locks. Got a whole package of channel locks there for $13 plus tax. Since I'm not a mechanic, I don't need the best. But look how easy this comes off of here. Then we could just throw that aside. Wrap this sucker up. I did say sucker. For all you naysayers out there. And where did I get all this wire? My dad was a plumber and electrician for many years. And he had the forethought, before he passed, to collect or not throw away any of his electric motors or scrap wire. And I've hauled a ton of them. Thank you, Dad. We'll do one more and then I'll be wrapping this thing up. Let me know what you guys think. What would you do? And here we go. Oop! It turned and I didn't get it turned fast enough. See how it twists? How do you guys keep your wire, your aluminum wire, from twisting? I've got copper to do too, not as much. But it should be easier. And it's smaller, unfortunately. I wish the copper wire was this thick. See, the wire turned and I couldn't get it back straight. So, let's try getting it back straight. Y'all should have been here earlier when things weren't going as well. No, you shouldn't. Okay. There we have it. I think it did, but I don't think unless it's on the other end, I can grab it better. Harbor Freight. Oh baby, look at this. I just wish this was copper. I'd be rich. I'd be rich. Oh, got away from me. So there you have it, how I use my tractor to strip aluminum wire, and probably other wire too. But it's a pretty good idea, I think. Well, I'll turn you around here and show you what I've got stripped so far, and we'll see you on the next one. Look at all that wire. Money in the bank. See you later.